Good morning all of you. Right, today we are discussing different topics, different questions on blood relations, right. Yesterday we discussed the paragraphs. Today relations by symbolic language, right. A plus B means A is mother of B. A is the mother of B. Next one, A minus B means A is the sister of B. A into B means A is the father of B. Next one, A divided by B means A is the son of B. Next one, A equal to B means A is the brother of B. Last one, A not equal to B means A is the daughter of B. These are the relations they given to you, and they will give an example to find out. They given that which of the following relations, question number 1 is given that which of the following relations means P is the aunt of Q, So option number 1 is given that P minus R divided by Q. Option number 2 is given that P plus R into Q. Option number 3 is P not equal to R into Q. Option number 4 is P minus R plus Q. Yes, now see which relation, these four, which of the relation will give P is aunt of Q. Let me know which relation defines this relation P is aunt of Q. In these four options, which one give this relation P is aunt of Q? So here A minus B means minus is defining as sister, into is defining as father, divided by defining as son, equal to defining as brother, and not equal to defining as daughter. Now we are telling that P is aunt of Q. Which relation gives the P is aunt of Q in these four options? Yes, let me know. Which relation gives P is aunt of Q? Yes, P minus R plus Q is one relation is given. P is not equal to R into Q is another relation. P plus R into Q is one more relation. P minus R divided by Q is one more relation. Suppose if we take P minus R, minus denotes minus is sister. P is sister of R. So if you take P is sister to R. Suppose R plus Q, if you take R plus Q, plus means here is given mother. R is mother of Q. R is mother to Q. Then the relation is asking P is aunt of Q. See once here, the relation is here aunt. The relation is here. So one generation and another generation, and this one is female. So P is aunt of Q. So option number 4 is giving the answer. So if we check all these 4 options, one option will give correct answer by using these relations. Yes, my student, did you get it? Yes, P minus R plus Q will give the relation of P is the aunt of Q. P is the aunt of Q. Yes, my students, right? Did you get one? Yes, any doubt? Shall I explain once again? Which gives P is aunt of Q? Which gives P is aunt of Q? Once you see. The relation 4 options if you take, the 4th option. What is the 4th option once you see? This is the 4th option. So P minus R. Minus gives P minus R. Minus gives, minus means sister. P is sister of R. P is sister of R. Sister of R. R plus Q. R plus Q. Plus means mother. R is mother of. R is mother of Q. If you find the relation P is sister of R, same generation. P is sister to R. P is sister to R. So R is mother of Q. R is mother to Q. P is sister. So mother's sister will call as aunt. So P is aunt to Q. Mother's sister will call as aunt. So P is aunt of Q. That only P is aunt of Q. This relation is given by 4th option. So answer number is 4th option. Yes, my student, did you get it? One more example I will give. One more example I will give. By the same relations, one more example I will give. Which of the following means S is the son of T's daughter? S is son of T's daughter. S is son of T's daughter. Options are T into M, first option, T into M plus S plus N. Second option, T into M, T into M plus S equal to N. Third option, T plus M into S minus N. Fourth option, S divided by M divided by T minus N. Which option will give the relation? S is son of T's daughter. S is son of T's daughter. Which relation will give this one? S is son of T's daughter. Find out, we can discuss now. Yes, my students, which one is giving the relation? S is son of T's daughter. S is son of T's daughter. Which of the relation, these 4 options, which one will give the relation S is son of T's daughter? By using these symbolic language, we can answer this question, right? Plus means mother, minus means sister, into means father, divided by means son, equal to means brother, not equal to means daughter. Use those relations according to the symbols and find out which relation is giving the answer here. Yes, which relation give the answer? Option number 1 you need to check, it's not giving, go for option number 2, it's not giving, go for option number 3, it's not giving, last one will give. You need to check every option. So that is the main problem in this model questions. You need to check every answer. You need to check first option, not giving, go for second option, not giving, go for third option, and the last option. Of course, if you get the first option, you are very lucky fellow. No need to waste the time. Right, what is the answer here for this question? First option or second option or third one or fourth one? Into means father, plus means mother, plus means mother, that is the first relation. Second one is given into plus and equal to sign. Which one gives the relation here? Yes, yes, I given relations in symbols. At the side the relations are there. How to identify the relations in symbols means, see once here, if you take this symbol means here father, T is father of M. So this symbol means plus means mother, M is mother of S, S is mother of N. Like that, use this symbol and use the relation here. Plus means mother, minus means sister, into means father, divided by means son. Use the symbol and use the relation here. Yes, which option is giving the answer here? Yes, my students, right? Many. So T into M, into means father. T is father of M. T is father means male. T is father of M. Into means here we got the relation, into means father. So T is father of M, T is father of M, T is father to M. So father means our previous generation, T is father of M. So M plus S, already this relation we completed into now M plus S. So what is M plus means here mother. So M is mother of S, M is mother to S, M is mother to S. I will write again the 3 and 4 options here, write C ones here. T is T into M, into means we got father. So T is father of M, T is father of M. Now the second one M plus S, plus means mother, M is mother to S. Now S equal to N, equal to means brother. S is brother of N, same generation, S is brother to M. See once here, T is father here, the relation we got. Here M is mother, the relation we got. S is brother. Now what is the question they are asking? S is son of T's daughter. S is son of T's daughter. See, T is father to M means for M, if you take the relation here, that is daughter, because circle is there, that is female, square is there, that is male. Yes, T's daughter is M. So S is son of T's daughter. S is son of T's daughter. See, T's daughter is M and S is son to M, because M is mother means S is son. Yes, so the relation is giving second option. Once again I will explain. See once here. The relation is given here, second option, T into M plus T into M plus S equal to N. This is the second option we got. So into means we can take as father. So T is father of M. If the relation if you take here father. Yes, we don't know the male or female M. Later we can come to know that M plus S. Plus means mother. M is mother, now female. M is mother to S. Next one, equal to S equal to N. Equal to means brother. S is brother of N. Brother means male. Now see, this is mother relation. If you take upwards, if you take downwards, that is son relation. If you take upwards, father relation. If you take downwards, that is daughter relation. Now see, S is son of this fellow and this fellow is daughter of T. So T's daughter is M, M son is S. The relation what he asked here is given by second option. Yes, my students, did you get it? Right. One more example I will give for the same data. Right. One more question for the same data. You need to find out all the options which are correct or not, right? One more question. Such I will explain yesterday's question, I will bring it. I didn't bring that yesterday's question, right? One more example for the same data. Which of the following means W is the uncle of Z? W is the uncle of Z. Uncle of Z. Yes. Now the relations are given. First one is W into A This is the first one. W into A minus B plus Z. And the second option is W equal to A plus B minus Z. And the third option is W equal to A plus B plus Z. And the fourth option is W into A into B equal to Z. Yes. Which option giving this relation? W is the uncle of Z. W is uncle of Z. Use the options here. Use the relations here. Is there here? Plus means mother, minus means sister, into means father, minus divided by means son, equal to means brother, not equal to means daughter. Use all these relations and find W is the uncle of Z. Which one is giving the answer? You need to check every option. Wherever the option you got correct, there you can stop it. Right? W is the uncle of Z. So now see, your messages, second option menu of writing, I will check it once, right. Now see, W is the uncle of Z relation we want. So second option menu of writing, I will see second option. First relation is equal to, W is equal to A. Equal to means brother. So W is brother of A. W is brother of A. W is brother of A. Equal to relation is given brother. Yes. According to the sum, equal to relation is given as brother. So W is brother of A. W is brother of A. So this relation is completed. Now come to A plus B. So what is plus means? Plus means here mother. A is mother of B. 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 See once here. This is first relation is equal to means brother. W is brother of A. And the second relation is A plus B. Plus means here mother. A is mother of B. Third relation B minus Z. Minus means where it is minus means here. So minus means here. Minus means sister. So minus means sister. B is sister of Z. Now if you say here the relation W is the uncle of Z, yes, one generation gap, and these two are okay, these two are belongs to A, and A is brother is W. So mother or father's brother we can call as uncle. We can call as uncle for B, uncle for Z. Yes, my students, right? All of you correct. Second option is 100% correct, right? Yes. One more example on the same data I will give. One more example on the same data, right? Now see one more example. See the grandfather of both D and E. See the grandfather of, see the grandfather of both D and E. Both D and E. Option number 1. Option number 1 is C into A divided by D. C into A plus D minus E, first option. Second option is C plus A plus D equal to E, and third option C divided by A not equal to D equal to E, and the fourth option is C into A into D minus E. Yes. Yes, the relation says here The relation says here plus means, we got the relations, plus means here mother, plus means mother, minus means, plus means mother. So minus means sister, minus means sister, minus means sister, and next one into means father, into means father, into means father. Next one divided by means son, divided by means son, and the next one equal to means brother, equal to means brother, equal to means brother, and the next one not equal to means daughter. Yes, my students, not equal to means daughter. Yes, right? Which option gives to see the grandfather of both D and E? Which option gives the answer for the given question? Yes, my students, right. The question is given that see the grandfather of both D and E. See the grandfather of both D and E. See the grandfather of both D and E. Suppose when you have written fourth option, so once I will check, and some of written first option also, I will check that one also, right. Suppose if you take fourth option here, what happens here? C into A. Into means here father. Into means here father. So C is the father of A. C is father of A. Father to A. C is father of A. C into A means, now A into D. A into D means A is father of D. First we got C is father of A, father. Next one A into D. A is father of D. A is father of D. Next one D minus E. D minus E. Minus means here sister. Minus means sister. D is sister of E. Same generation. D is sister of E. Okay. Now see, is asking see the grandfather. Yes, one generation gap. See the grandfather to both D and E. Option number 4 is 100% correct. Yes, I think all of you got option number 4. Now I am going for option number 1 for checking. Option number 4 is 100% answer here. Some of you written option number 1 also. That also I will check once, right? Now see option number 1. Option number 1 I will check once, right? So what is option number 1 once you see? C into A is given. C into A. Into means father. So C is father of A. Next one A plus D. So plus means here mother. A is mother. A is mother of D. A is mother of D. So next one minus is given. So D minus E. D minus E. Minus means sister. D is sister of D is sister of E. Now the question say the grandfather of both D and E. Say the grandfather of both D and E. Yes. This one also giving answer. Yes, once you see. Yes, my students, right? Write one more example for the same question. One more example for the same question, right? Write one more example, right? So one more example is, which of the following means I is the mother of L? I is the mother of L. I is the mother of L. Mother of L. So first option is I plus B minus C equal to D into L, and second option is I equal to B not equal to B plus C into L, and third option is I plus B into C not equal to D minus L, and fourth option is I plus B minus C into L. Which option gives the relation I is the mother of L? Yes, my students, let me know what's your answer, right? Yes, this is first option, second option, third option, fourth option. I is the mother of L. We can check, everybody is writing option 1. We can check once, right? I will check only option 1 because no answers I got. Everybody given option number 1 only. So I am rubbing the remaining 3 options. We can check once option number 1. So I plus B plus means is your mother. I is the mother of B. I is mother of B. Mother means previous generation. Mother. I is the mother of B. So B minus C. Next one B minus C. Minus means sister. So B is sister to C. Sister. B is sister to C. Right? Next one C not equal to means C. C is daughter of D. C is daughter to D. Yes, now D into L. D into L. Into means father. So D is father of L. D is father of L. Father of L. Now see, we can take these two as pair. Parents of these people. I is the mother of L. I is the mother of L. So this is father and this is mother. I is the mother of L. Option number 1 is 100% correct, right? Yes, my students. Right? Now see. One more example I will give. One more example. Which of the following means T is the husband of V? T is the husband of V. Husband. T is the husband of V. Now the relations is given as T minus T equal to S. T equal to S minus R star V. Next one T plus S. T plus S minus R into V. And third one R into V minus T star S. And fourth option R plus S minus T into V. Now he is telling that relations are here. So into means daughter. Into means daughter. The second one star means son. The third one plus means mother. And the fourth one minus means brother. And the fifth one divided by means sister. And the last one equal to means father. Now my question is T is the husband of V. Which option gives the answer? So the relations there into daughter star son plus mother minus brother divided by sister equal to father. So which one is giving this relation in these options? Yes, my students, right? Let me know. Option 1, yes, you can check once. Option 1. So what is the option 1? Because everybody written option 1, I am rubbing the remaining 3 options. I think option 1 is correct only, right? Once you see T equal to means father. T is father of S. T is father to S. Next one S minus R. Minus means their brother. S is brother to R. This one is father. The next one is brother. R star V. Star means son. R is son of V. Now he is asking T is the husband of V. Yes, these two are brothers and this one is father. Then we can say these two is a pair. So T is the husband of V. Yes, my students, right? Because these two are children of this pair. Yes, we can write T is the husband of V. Option number 1 is correct only. For the same data, one more question I will give. Just one check once, right? one more question for the same data, right? One more question. Which of the following means S is the nephew of P? S is the nephew of P. S is the nephew. S is the nephew of P. Yes. Option number 1 is P minus Q divided by R. P minus Q divided by R equal to S. And the second option is P minus Q into R star S. And the third option is S star R minus Q divided by P. And the fourth option is P plus Q minus R into S. Yes, my students, what is the answer for this? Nephew means, in Telugu Manaludu, nephew means brother or sister's daughter. Brother's daughter we can call as brother's son, we can call as nephew. Sister's son also we can call as nephew. Somebody asked this one. Brother's son we can call as nephew. Sister's son also we can call as nephew. Don't take Telugu relation. Telugu relation is different. Yes, you need to follow only dictionary relation. Brothers or sister's son we can call as nephew. Okay, if you Telugu relation, that will be different. Your brother's son means, if you are male, your brother's son means you will call as son. The paper will be for both male and female, same paper. If you take female, brother's son means nephew. Two answers will not be there. So you need to follow the dictionary relation. Brothers or sister's son will be called nephew, right? Yes is the nephew of B. Which relation gives here? 4 relations are there. Once I will check many have written option number 3. Once I will check option number 3 first. S star R minus Q divided by P is given. S star R, first given star relation. What is star means? Son. So S is son of R. 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 This is the first relation. The second relation, R minus Q. Minus is given brother. So R is brother of Q. Same generation. R is brother to Q. Brother to Q. Right? Next one, Q divided by P. Divided by means sister. Q is sister of P. Q is sister to P. Yes, same generation. Now, S is nephew of P. See, P's sister, Q's brother. So, this is P's brother. Brother's son will become nephew. Brother's son will give nephew relation. Option number 3 is correct only. Option number 3 is correct only. Somebody written option number 1 also. I will check option number 1 also, right? Option number 3 is 100% correct. I will check once option number 1 also, right? Yes, my students, right? Option number 1 I am checking. Option number 1. Option number 1, P minus Q. Minus means brother. P is brother of Q. P is brother of Q. P is brother of Q, same generation. Next one, Q divided by R. Divided by means sister. Q is sister of R. Q is sister of R, same generation. Sister of R. Next one, R equal to S. R equal to S. Equal to means father. R is father of yes. R equal to means father. R is father of yes. Then how S is nephew? Yes. R is father of yes. S is the nephew of P is given. S is the nephew of P is given. Somebody written option number 1. What is the wrong here? Here we don't know male or female. Yes, male or female, Satya? You written option number 1. Is it given yes, male or female? Yes, male or female was not given. That's why option number 1 is not correct. Option 1 is not correct. Why? Because yes is not given male or female. Yes, gender we don't know. Option number 1 is not correct. Option number 3 is correct, right? Yes, my students, right? Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet once again, right?